All right, what's going on, guys? This is how we made about $900 today trading on No News Monday. Took one trade on NASDAQ, really quick in and out trade, only about like 2 hours. I didn't even hold to the full take profit just because I wanted to be in and out of the market as fast as possible on a No News Monday. And on top of that, I'm having like bad issues with my Wi-Fi. So I was doing everything off my hotspot, off my phone, and trying to work off my phone. And it was just crazy. So I'm done with the day after this. Anyway, full trade recap will be out on YouTube in a bit. I have everything, executions and all that stuff posted in the Discord. So if you guys want to join, I'll drop a link in the comments. I don't know why the executions aren't showing up on here, but you'll see them in the YouTube video in a little bit. But YouTube name is the same as my TikTok name, so go check that out. But I'll run through this like really quick for TikTok. So basically, I wanted to see price take out all this buy side liquidity. We had London highs, Asia highs, previous day highs, and then we had some hourly highs in between. So after market open, we had this initial push up, and then price came in and was respecting within this 5-minute bullish fair value gap right here. So personally, from this point, even though we took out London, I wanted to see the continuation up. I just thought it was, to me, we had all that buy side resting right there. I figured we were just going to push up. On top of that, the 15-minute was in bullish order flows. It was extended, yeah, but I did feel like we would have that continued push to the upside. So after we respected that 5-minute gap, I looked for the highest time frame inverse, and we ended up getting one on the 1 minute right here. So we ended up inversing this 1 minute bearish gap, came back in and retested. I ended up entering off one of these closes. I actually got a decent fill at about 850. Not the greatest entry. Obviously, I would have ideally liked to enter within the gap, but put stops below the 1 minute inverse. And basically, I took first take profit. I only entered with two cons. First take profit was around Asia high. Second take profit, I just ended up closing it out fully right here, just because previous day high was my final take profit, but it was like 5 points extra, and I didn't want to be greedy on a No News Monday. I was already in profit, and I didn't really even plan to trade. But so anyway, walked away with that. Full trade recap will be out in a bit, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.